Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'll try to do the unique kind of AnTuTu benchmark test in the Moto H20 device. So right now the battery percentage is below 10% at this moment. As you can see friends, exactly 9%. So when the battery percentage is below 10%, how much the AnTuTu benchmark score gonna get? That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And this kind of unique videos I already did on plenty of other smartphones just to test how well the CPU and the GPU scores will be managed during the low battery performance levels. That is what I'm going to exactly concentrate in this video. Let me do open AnTuTu benchmark application at this moment, and let's start doing the AnTuTu benchmark test. Right now the brightness I did keep slightly kind of more, and let's do the AnTuTu benchmark test friends. Let's see how much the temperatures will increase and how much the AnTuTu benchmark score we can actually expect in this low battery level performance. So only few phones will be able to deliver the really good AnTuTu benchmark score even in the low battery percentage as well. Not all the phones. That is the reason this channel is special about doing unique kind of testings, where testing each and every situation, and to test the Snapdragon 778G processor, how well this processor gonna react. So in my previous experiences, I did do the AnTuTu benchmark test when the battery is of 1% and charging as well. That's another unique kind of testing friends. That's extreme level of testing. So right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put more pressure on the CPU and the GPU when the battery is below 10%, just to check what's going to happen with the temperatures and CPU and the GPU results. So I will be back after some time just to check what is happening. The temperatures is right now 30 degrees, not bad increase. So I will be back after some time. Let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to perform on this Moto H20 device. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to end of the AnTuTu benchmark test in the Moto H20 as well. And let's check the temperatures, how much it is. It's of kind of close to 34.5 degrees in the outside. But let's see what will be the AnTuTu benchmark score, how much it's gonna affect if you're doing this kind of extreme test under 10% of the battery. That is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. So as I said, my channel is all about doing unique kind of testings, so which no one has done before. That is the reason friends. So this should be something kind of special. That's the reason I'll try to do this kind of unique testings on each and every smartphone. I'm trying to put all the CPUs and the GPUs under very stressful test. Not only this device, I will try to treat all the phones in similar kind of manner to find out exactly the output of the real world testing. And this is a retail unit only. This is the Moto H device. Right now the battery decreased to 5%. We got the message as well saying that it decreased 5%. So in the beginning it was close to 9% when I started the AnTuTu benchmark test. Right now we got the results, and here we go, 5,25,000. Wow, kya baat hai bhai. So the temperature slightly increased, so it increased by 4 degrees, but overall the CPU and the GPU score not at all decreased. It was really good to see this kind of level of testing. Even if your phone has very low battery level as well, if you're trying to do the gaming, still you should not be worried, because the performance is not compromised, and slightly temperatures got increased a little bit, but not much. But maximum we did go only close to 32 degrees only. As you can see friends clearly, is an AnTuTu benchmark test which I did on the day one itself. As you can see clearly how much the battery increased to 31 degrees at that point, not much. But today it increased to 32 degrees just because we are trying to put more pressure. That's the reason. But overall score, you can see friends, when the battery percentage is close to 50% when I did this kind of benchmarks, and right now when the battery percentage is below 10%, this kind of benchmarks we got. Overall it was looking really great to see this kind of performance levels consistent, not that issues. So I'm going to be back with the next upcoming videos friends, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.